Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm going to show how to turn your favorite sites into web apps using Edge or Chrome on Windows, Mac, or Linux. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And now let's begin. To turn your favorite sites into web apps, the first thing to do is open any of the browsers, Chrome or Edge, and navigate to the site you want to create as a web app. With the site loaded in the browser, click the three-button menu in the top right corner. If you're using Edge, click on Apps, then click on Install this site as an app, and proceed with the prompts. If you're using Chrome, with the site loaded in the browser, click the three-button menu in the top right corner of the Chrome window. Now select Save and Share, then click on Create Shortcut, and then proceed with the prompts. Also, make sure to click the checkbox for Open as Window. And as you can see, the site loads as an isolated app. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.